Last night I went to go get stop, carefully turn off engine. Whoa. Just got a fresh oil change at LVR right here, Lehigh Valley Imports. I literally hit him up probably like 9 a.m. So yeah, man, big shout out to LVR, Lehigh Valley Imports. I recently got my car ceramic coated, I want to say about a week ago. So today's gonna be the first wash after the ceramic coating. Hopefully it doesn't rain, because I don't know if you guys can see that cloud. It's looking a little scary, but it's not supposed to rain today or tomorrow. I know it's been a little minute since I uploaded. I had to take some time away, you know, do some self-reflection. I watched some of my old videos recently, and I don't know how you guys were watching that. So I'm gonna try to make these new videos more entertaining, and yeah, let's see how we do. I'm gonna start recording again. I'm gonna start posting. A lot has changed with this car, obviously. I don't know if you guys can tell, but a lot has changed. I need to make a video breaking down everything that I did to the car while I was on my hiatus. I don't know if you guys can hear, but you know, it's not stock anymore, clearly. So yeah, that's gonna be a fun video. This weekend I'm going to the LZ tour. Last night I went to go, holy shit. Last night I went to go get, stop, carefully turn off engine. Whoa. I've never seen this before. Guys, that shit went away, what the fuck, like. What is going on? Oh, it came back. Yo, what is going on?
Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
So basically now I'm here just stranded at they sell beer, cigarettes, shit that I don't buy, shit that I don't consume. He asked me if I could drive the car back to LVI. I'm not driving the car like this. So he said he's gonna make a call and see if someone could come get me, because they're calling.
Austin's won't be there for like an hour, so it's up to you if that's okay with you or not. Yeah, you don't smell anything burning, right?
Nah, I don't smell anything. Okay, and then you're assuming is the oil pump done?
I don't know. If you're not smelling anything, like if you're not smelling anything, it's either that. So the other angle of it is if the oil filter housing cracked on the inside, you can't see it. Any one of those things could be a possibility, but oil pump is another one. But yeah, Austin's will be out there soon. We'll get you situated, man. We'll be like waiting like a trauma team.
So here's the bad news. It could be the oil pump. He told me that it's gonna take them an hour to come get the car. Hopefully the issue isn't crazy, but it's always something. It's always something. I literally told myself, oh, I'm gonna start posting videos today. This video that you're watching right now is gonna be the first video back, and this happens. So, but I'm not gonna make myself more stressed out than I already am. So
That shit off.
yeah.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
He just walked by my car and said, this shit hard, this shit hard. This shit dicked out.
Oh my God, bro.
Dicked out?
Hell no,
Yo, I'm a, next clip, we gonna see this shit on the tow truck maybe, I don't know, but yeah. GG's, boys. I know he's super stressed because I'm recording him. He's probably like, fuck! Nah, but he got clearance though. Yes, yeah. Well, guys, as you can see, it started raining, so I was gonna wash my car for no reason. They just changed the oil filter, and now he's checking all the codes right now. Hopefully it goes away. Hopefully it's not the oil pump, but yeah. To be honest, I'm prepared for the worst, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, shout out to the weather. This is literally how I'm feeling right now. Okay, so they just took my car for a test drive. That's really all I could do. So we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully he comes back with good news. I haven't heard someone else drive my car in a minute, and that shit sounds good. Sorry if my energy or mood is down. Obviously, like, I'm not in a good mood, and I am down, you know. It's a possibility I'ma have to spend $5,000-$6,000 to fix this oil pump. Is it better if I vlog like this? It just feels weird having my hand all the way up here, but hopefully it's nothing crazy. We gonna see. It's funny because I texted my friends in our group chat and I was like, yo, M340's done, RIP M340. And then they started FaceTiming me right away, and I was in the tow truck and I was just showing them the car, like, in the tow truck, and they're like, what happened? I haven't said shit. So y'all gonna find out when I drop this video, because I'm not saying nothing. So good.
Just a bad oil filter.
Woo! My chest. Yeah, I've never had that happen before, so I was just like, it's better to be safe than.
I don't know. It was in there perfectly fine. Everything was in there. I swapped it out. I think there might have been a hole or something in it somewhere, and knocked on the pressure. Okay. But yeah, no, it's good. I watched the pressure and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you're
Hey,
good.
holy shit. I have fucking goosebumps.
I don't blame you.
I'm like, shit. Alright, guys. So I'm on my way to the gym right now, and I'm not sure if I said it in the previous clip. I guess the oil filter that they put on was a faulty one. That shit was a dud. But yeah, they replaced the oil filter again, and the car's good now. The light went away, it hasn't popped back up. The car feels perfectly fine. I'm gonna put the windows down and just drive the car so you guys can hear it. Alright, you can't really see shit, so I'm gonna end the video. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. And this is my current sub count right here, so I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.